Top story then, the pain is finally beginning to show. India's largest private sector lender, ICICI Bank, today did show glimpses of that, reporting a big jump in the bad loans for the December quarter, thanks to the global weakness and RBI's stricter provisioning norms. Even on the profit front, there is little cheer as consolidated net profit did show a marginal decline.
Now, ICICI Bank's MD and CEO Chanda Kochhar says the weakness in the steel sector had a telling effect on bad loans. What's worse, she expects the situation to remain grim in the coming months. In a sense, ICICI's numbers are a pointer to the general slowdown, which is only getting worse by the day. The stress in the banking system and what it means to the broader economy. That's our top story on India Tonight.
Some of these accounts are lumpy. So if you see a large number, it also happens because of one or two large accounts. And, the addition this quarter is mainly on account of one large steel company. Of course, there is the balanced set of accounts to be done the next quarter as well. But at the same time, we must understand that the banks are also working with various companies to find resolutions. We have been working, with the corporates to get them to sell their assets, their core assets, their non-core assets. Some of these resolutions take time, but I think many of these resolutions are underway. Promoters are finding new, promoters or new shareholders for their companies. Some of them are selling some part of core assets. In some cases, we are actually taking the legal route and recovering the money. So I think there is a huge focus on recovery as well. So as we go forward, while there would be recognitions, there would also be focus on recovery. If you look at the 6,544 crores, as I mentioned, more than 60% is on account of the discussions that we've had with RBI. Well, the entire provisioning that was required for those accounts has been fully taken. So I think they have been well provided for in that context.
Is it upwards of 15%? Have you been extremely cautious?
Yes, it's upwards of 15%. At the ground level also, अब हम देख रहे हैं कि coal production काफी increase हो रहा है, iron ore production increase हो रहा है. इसकी वजह से commercial vehicle movements बढ़ रही हैं. जो projects हैं, project by project actually resolutions आ रहे हैं. रोड्स एंड हाईवेज पे काफ़ी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स दिए जा रहे हैं, उसकी वजह से कुछ कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स को नए बिजनेस मिल रहे हैं. रेलवेज में नए कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स दिए जा रहे हैं, उसकी वजह से हमने देखा है कि हमारे एसएमई क्लाइंट्स को नए बिजनेस मिल रहे हैं. आई थिंक आगे जाके डिफेंस पे ऑर्डर्स आएंगे. तो ये इन सब बातों में एक्टिविटीज़ काफ़ी शुरू हो चुकी हैं. पर जो हमारा जो अभी जो ग्रोथ कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर में अभी जो आया है, वो मेनली इसलिए है कि जो highly rated corporate clients हैं, वो भी because of lower interest rates are refinancing their existing loans. So हमारी जो growth है वो mainly on account of that है.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/etnow.